So say you're riding R3 and you want to learn how to do this. Clutchless downshift. Don't know if you saw it, so I'll do it again. Ready? How do you do it? How do you clutchless downshift? It's actually a bit like clutchless upshifting, but reverse. So you're going to blip the throttle, and then as you're blipping the throttle, you got to tap down a gear. I ended up doing this, I don't know if I actually added it into the video, but I ended up doing this on, say, clutchless upshift. So I ended up doing this on, I think when I had my coffee in my hand, that coffee video, I had to do clutchless downshifts. Once you get like a hang of clutchless upshifts, I always recommend go clutchless upshifts first before you try the downshifts, because if you don't know what you're doing, and the R3 especially doesn't have a slipper clutch, so you can actually potentially lock up the rear wheel. So you got to know the bike pretty well and what ratio gear you're going down into, so she doesn't do an old lock up chirp and drop out from underneath you. What you want to do with clutchless downshifts is bring on the throttle, like blip the throttle and tap down in the gear at the same time. Just cling onto the tank like really strong with your legs. I don't really want to do a clutchless downshift doing bloody 90 kilometers an hour. Might be able to get away with it. See? That's it. That's how you do it. Ready? So if I sit back like this, ready? Because all you got to do is blip that throttle to take the load off the transmission to drop down a gear. It's literally clutchless upshifting, but in reverse. So if you know how to clutchless upshift, you know how to clutchless downshift. Obviously, the bigger bike, the harder it gets, because I don't know why that is. Probably the tolerances in between gears, I don't know. But that's, in a nutshell, guys, that is how you actually clutchless downshift. It is not technical. And the R3 is a fantastic bike to learn that sort of stuff on. Fucking idiot, man. That's why you don't go ham on the streets, dude. The amount of times I've had that happen to me. And if I was going real hard on the street, I would have been caught out, because you're pulling in for the apex and you got that knob on the other side of the road, and bang, impact like that, you're dead. The chances of you surviving an impact like that, good luck, sort of thing. Your body would hit the car, literally speed doubles. Here we go, let's do a couple of downshifts again.